Chapter 13 is analyzing data with inferential statistics. The first way we are studying is sampling data. Sampling tool can help us to select items from a dataset randomly or regularly. First, we click Date and click Data Analyze and choose Sampling and click OK. And we need to input a range. Here, it provides two sampling methods, periodic or random. And here we need to input a number of samples, such as 20, and we need to input where we want to output the results. Click here and click OK. Then we have the sample. Next, let's see the t-test. T-test tool can help us to compare the mean of two samples. So click Data Analyze, click t-test. It provides three types of t-test. One is paired two samples for mean, and two samples assuming equal variance, or two samples assuming unequal variance. Here we can choose unequal variance and click OK. And we need to input the range of the variable 1 is from here to here, and the range of variable 2, and it is labeled. And here the hypothesis mean difference, here we input 0, and we need to choose where to output it. Click here and click OK. Then we have the results of t-test. It provides us the mean of the sample and variance observations and degree of freedom. The t-statistic value is 0.48. For two-tailed test, if the t-statistic value smaller than the negative t-critical two-tail value or larger than t-critical two-tail value, then we can reject the null hypothesis. But here, our value is between negative t-critical and t-critical, so we cannot reject the null hypothesis. Next is z-test. Here we can do the z-test for these two samples. Z-test is used for lowering the variance or standard deviation of the population. So we can click Data Analyze and we choose Z-test to sample for means and click OK. And here we need to input the range of variable 1, range of variable 2, and the hypothesis mean difference and the variance, because you need to know the variance to do the Z-test, and input the alpha value and output range. We click here and click OK. Then we have the results of Z-test. Next, let's see the regression. Here we have the list price and unit sale. We want to do the regression for these two variables. So we click Data Analyze and click Regression and click OK. And we need to enter the Y range and X range, and we need to enter the confidence level where we want to output the results, and we can also output the residue, ready plot, and live fit plot, and click OK. Then we have the results. It gives us the R-square value, adjusted R-square, standard error, and the ANOVA for the regression, include the F value and significant F value. Here we need to note if the significance F value smaller than 0.05, it means our regression has statistical significance. Then we can continue the analysis. If the significance F larger than 0.05, then we need to delete a variable and rerun the regression. And here it is smaller than 0.05. And it also gives us the intercept and the coefficient, and we can see the p-value is also smaller than 0.05, and we have the predict value and the residue, and we have the residue plot and the predict plot. Next, let's see how to calculate the correlation between variables. Here we click data analyze and click correlation and click OK, and we need to input the range is from here to here and label in the first row and columns and output the results here and click OK. Then we can see the correlation between these two columns is negative 0.97. Next, let's see how to calculate variation. It's also click data analyze and click variation and click OK and just input the value and where you want to output the results and click OK. Then we have the variance of the unit sold is this value. Next, let's see ANOVA tool. ANOVA tool can help you to analyze if means of several populations are all equal. So the non-hypothesis is the mean of these populations are same. So we can click here, click data analyze and click ANOVA. And Excel provides 3 ANOVA is single factor, 2 factor with replication or 2 factor without replication. Here we choose single factor and click OK, and we need to input the range and label in the first row and click where we want to output the results. The alpha value is 0.05 and click OK. Then we have the results of ANOVA analyze. Here, if the F value larger than F critical, then we will reject the non-hypothesis. And we can see that our F value is larger than F critical, so we reject the non-hypothesis, which means that these populations are not equal. Last one we want to say is F-test. F-test helps you to compare variance from two populations. The non-hypothesis of F-test is the variance of two populations are same. So first we need to click data analyze and click F-test too simple for variance and click OK. And here we need to input the range of variable 1 and range of variable 2 and label in the first row and the alpha value and where we want to output the results and click OK. Here one thing we need to note that if the variance of variable 1 smaller than the variance of variable 2, then we need to swap it. Here, the variance of our variable 1 is larger than the variable 2, so it's okay. And next, let's see the F value. The F value is the variance of variable 1 divided variance of variable 2. If this value larger than the critical value, then we will reject non-hypothesis, and we can see that our F value larger than the critical value, so we reject the non-hypothesis. That means the variance of these two populations are not equal. Thank you.